What's up, y'all? How's it going today? It's your boy Chef D, once again, coming in, checking in live. Willing to share with you all today my chicken leg quarter recipe. I take it marinated in my one and only Saucy all-purpose barbecue seasoning, and I kind of let it marinate overnight. First step you want to do, buy you some all-purpose seasoning for one. Secondly, you want to take and start to marinate your meat. And you kind of like go one hand dry, one hand wet. You all know this process, I say it all the time, especially when you're using a rub. You all seen in the beginning, we took that chicken leg quarter, we marinated it overnight, we pan seared it, we went into the oven with it. Now we're going to start assembling that. The ways we assemble that, the components that's on that sandwich, we got a coleslaw that's made with Saucy all-purpose everything seasoning. And it takes a couple of components, Fresno peppers, we got some green onions, and some cabbage, and curries. So we're gonna make a quick slaw. We're gonna toast the bread. We're gonna dress it up with some Saucy dressing, and then we're gonna put that sandwich together, man, and bring that chicken out the oven. Let's start prepping. One Fresno pepper, and you just pretty much slicing it. So like I say, now that we got all our ingredients, we got our cabbage, green onions, sliced Fresno peppers, fresh, and a little micro arugula for garnish on top. We're gonna take and use a nice rye bread, nice wheat rye, and toast this bad boy off. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay updated with these tasty recipes made with my very own Saucy all-purpose seasoning and sauce.